Home storage design, manufacture and installation. Cairns. Roll Edge Designs makes and installs quality wardrobes, shutters and mirrors, as well as providing garage, pantry and laundry fit-outs. Offering multiple income streams, including a full joinery factory, this business would be perfect for a builder, developer or cabinet maker. Operating for over 35 years, the business also makes and sells aluminium shutters, with sales increasing every year. Agents for Alpha Wire shelving and Lotus folding doors, Roll Edge's core business is wardrobes, wardrobe doors, cabinets and flat packs. The business covers the area from Cairns to Cardwell and north to Thursday Island, Tablelands, Mareeba, Atherton and more. The spacious premises offer 800 square metres with a factory, office and showroom. Assets include a new CNC machine, new edge bender with corner rounding and 3 vans fully stocked with tools. Boasting good sales via word of mouth, builders and online, this excellent and well-established business is ripe for expansion if desired. With orders full until January 2022, the current owners are taking on limited work, but say there's potential to double sales. Not only is this a proven investment, but it also offers you the chance to live and work in one of Australia's most sought-after locations.